Join Gustav the Moose in a haphazardly hilarious Christmas adventure across Sweden as he finds his hiccup cure and gains the power to fly. On the eve of Christmas, a moose named Gustav developed the hiccups while parading through the snowy streets of Ystad. As Gustav hiccuped, tiny northern lights burst from his antlers, amusing the townsfolk but worrying Santa, who was overseeing preparations from above. The townspeople, led by Anders the baker, attempted to cure Gustav's hiccups with a variety of traditional remedies. Each attempt led to more comedic results. Gustav's sneezes sent snow spiraling off rooftops. In a twist of fate, Gustav stumbled upon the right cure, a mysterious snowberry pie baked by a mystical baker from the forest. Upon eating the pie, not only did Gustav's hiccups stop, but he gained the temporary power to fly, much to Santa's delight and surprise. Gustav was named honorary reindeer by Santa, leading a festive parade through the skies, sharing laughs and hiccup tales as Christmas descended on Sweden.